morning. Okay, can I take your seat?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, my dear. So you must be Reina.
Yes.
Oh, how old are you, Reina?
I am 10 years old.
You're 10 years old. How do you feel today?
Fine.
You're fine. You don't feel nervous?
Yes.
You're not nervous.
Yes.
Ah, you're such a confident kid. Reina, what is your favorite subject, if I may ask?
It is English.
It's English. Why?
Because English is interesting.
It's interesting. What activity in English do you like most?
Reading.
Reading. So you love reading books.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite book?
No.
Okay, not particular book, meaning you love to read everything. Do you have a favorite story?
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
I forgot.
You forgot the title. Can you remember the character in the story? Is it Cinderella or Snow White? Who? Is it an English story? A Korean story. Oh, I see. Okay, you will just remember that later and you tell me. If English is your favorite subject, what is the most challenging subject for you?
It's math.
It's math. Why?
Because plus minus is difficult.
It's difficult, the operations. Lena, why do you want to enroll here in Bright Academy? Why not in any other school?
Because Bright is the interesting subject.
Bright offers interesting subjects. What else?
And the Bright is the play.
And Bright is clean. Wow, you're very observant. Yes, we have indeed a clean environment. Okay, so that would be all for this morning, Reina. Thank you. See you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Okay. Okay, you wait for your teacher.